If you want to make quick meal but don't want to compromise on taste and quality, then honestly, Farm Star make it very easy. With their Sarson Bathua Saag mix and Bathua Raita mix, you can enjoy traditional taste in just 10 minutes and without chemicals or preservatives. So let's start with Bathua Raita. Take 1 kg fresh curd, half glass of water, mix it well to make it smooth. Then add 3 to 4 spoon of Farm Star Bathua Raita mix and mix properly. And the best part is that it absorbs water, make the raita thick and creamy. If you are making it in a bulk or for a restaurant, then follow this ratio: 7 kg curd, 3 liter water, 100 grams of raita mix. This gives you a perfect consistency. With just 100 gram pack, you can make up to 10 kg raita, which is equal to using 1 kg fresh bathua. After making it, let rest for some time to become more creamy or thick. For saag, start boiling water and add 4 spoon of Farm Star Bathua saag mix. Let it cook for about 5 minutes. Now add little makai atta with water and cook it another 5 minutes. And after this, you will notice the texture just turn like traditional saag and the taste becomes really rich and homely. And the best part, there are no artificial color, and since it is in dehydrated form, it's completely safe and easy to use. For tadka, heat oil, add cumin, garlic, hing, dry red chili, pour into the saag and mix well. This instantly boosts the flavor so much that you won't even realize it made from an instant mix. Both versions turned out super tasty and a great option for restaurants, dhabas or family gatherings. And because it's natural and chemical free, you can enjoy it completely.